This is today's homework. We went over these in class. These will be on the test tomorrow. These type of questions, 3 and 4 and 5. I'll go over 5 really fast. 6 also. 6 we did in class. In my third period, I forgot to let them know that's a positive 5. I changed it instead. Make sure you know how to simplify the radical if it can be simplified. This exact question, very similar to this, will be on the test. It will ask you the exact same thing, perimeter and area, exact same thing, and I'll go over that. I'll go over 2 questions on it. All work needs to be shown to count, okay? Bill is building a rectangular deck. Okay, let's go over a deck. I showed you a picture of a deck today, so you all know what a deck is. 8 feet wide by 15 feet long. Okay. Tanya helping Bill with the deck. Tanya has 2 boards, one that is 8 feet long and the other is 7 feet long. He puts the 2 boards together end to end and lay them on the diagonal area of the deck where they just fit. What should he tell Bill? Okay. So he put a 7 foot diagonally. Yeah. Puts this way. 7 plus 8 fits perfectly. That's 15. Right here. It fits perfectly. So a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 8 feet plus 8 squared plus 15 squared equals to c squared. It's not 64 plus 225 equals to c squared. 225 plus 64 is 289 equals to c squared. You take the square root, It's 17, I believe. This needs to be 17. If it fits perfectly, it's not a right angle then. His deck is not right. It needed to be, if it fits perfectly here at 15, his deck is not a right deck. So it's going to be like screwed up. Should be 17. So what should he tell Bill? He should tell Bill that he needs to reassess his deck because it's not a right angle deck. It's going to be skewed. It's going to be off. He should tell Bill it's not a right angle deck. He may need to replace it if he wants it nice and square like the picture I showed. Bill is building a rectangular deck. It's not going to be a rectangular deck. Parallelogram maybe. We did this in class. I think we kind of did this. Okay, let me do this one. Calculate the length of the segment connects to 2 points. Okay, so this point connects to this point. You need to make 90-degree angles. Go down, stop. Oh, I went too far. Go down, stop right there. And then make another dot for an angle. Make sure you stay within that. Don't go like this. Okay, make sure you use the grid that's provided to go from dot to dot to make angles. Notice right here is a right angle. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. Now, this will be on the test. Each problem, each question is worth 10 points, so it would be 30. The other one, like, not going to be more like this. It's more going to be like this and like this. Okay, that's going to be worth, and then you have to explain how you get your answer using the word hypotenuse, legs, in a Pythagorean theorem. I'll have those words up for you to use. Make sure you explain step by step. Solving it is 10 points, and then writing about it is another 10 points. So make sure you be ready for that. Just explain things step by step using the correct vocabulary, you would be fine. So calculate that. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. I don't think there's anything else on this that will be on the test. These type of question is it. All the other ones on this worksheet will not be on the test again. C squared, 136 equals to c squared. Close to 12, right? Calculators, Google calculators. The square root of 136, square root of 136. 11.7. Okay, that's 11.7. Yes? Yes? Square root, C equals to 11.7 units. Right answer, a decimal, 11.7 units as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth. What was it? Hundredth, nearest hundredth. That's a 1, so it's 11.66. 11.66 units. Is C is the length of oh, come on. It's the length of that red line there you see. Find the area and perimeter. Okay, this 136 divided by 2. 2 times what? Let's see. I should know this, you know. But like you guys got calculators, so 68 divided by 2, 34. So 68, 2, 34, 2, 17. So 2 square root of 34. Your answer, C equals to 2 square root of 34. Anyways, pretend I have it here. C equals to 2 square root of 34. Okay. Oh, sorry. I was doing all that work. I was doing, I didn't realize it's not on there. I was doing 2 times, what was it? 2, that's 6, 8, 2 and 34, 2 and 17. Stop there. So square root of 34. So your answer is C square root of 34. So that you can see what I did there. 2 square root of 34 is equal to C. Find the area and perimeter. You have to use this unit here. Okay. And as decimal areas, area, I need to see formula, length times width divided by 2. Area equals 6 times 10 divided by 2, that's 5. Area is equals to 30 units squared. Perimeter, add all of them, 10 plus 6 plus 11.66. That is 27.66. Perimeter equals to 27.66 units. Remember to put units squared and units on the other one. Don't forget that. This is the exact same thing. So make sure that you connect these two, and then right here, oops, nothing crooked like that. Keep it straight. Oh my gosh, why did it do that? Anyways, keep it straight. So you have 90 degree here. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 here. And calculate the length, a squared. Finish the rest, just right like this other one here. Okay? The rest of your things, I don't believe will be on the test. I'm not sure if this will be or not. I doubt it though. I don't have the quiz right in front of me, but I don't think so. I only have this one and this other type. Okay? That will be on the test. Tomorrow, quiz tomorrow. It's individual quiz, by the way, even though it says partner, ignore that part. Okay, what you need to do, I'll do this one because I did number 10A in class with one of the periods. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Is C really this answer? 23 squared plus 45 squared equals to really that answer squared? Well, we'll see. 23 times 23. I need to see this work. Not that work, but I don't know where the square is in this calculator. That was what? Sorry. 529 plus, let me see if my phone, I can work faster on my phone. Oh, jeez. Um, 45 squared. 2025. Okay, add that to together. 2554. Take the square root. Oh no, you get 50.53. So nope, not a right angle is not equal to 51 squared. Is not equal to 51. Equals to this. So therefore, not a right triangle. Now, this one, if we did in class, a squared plus, this is c, right? B squared equals to c squared. You do 9 squared plus 144. Oh, 12 squared. 81 plus 144. You get 225. Take the square root of that. That equals to 15. This answer. So therefore, it's a right triangle. Okay? If it equals to the C, it's a right triangle. If not, it's not going to be, just like this one here. It didn't equal to 15 that we have here. It equals really to 17, so it's not a right triangle. It's more like parallelogram of some sort, a weird one that's off. Okay? So this is C. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. 16 squared plus 9 squared equals to C squared. 256 plus 81 equals to C squared. Take the square root of that. It's 18 point, oh, not 25, it's 18.35 is not going to be equal to this C right here. It's not equal to 25, therefore it's not a right triangle. It's a triangle, but not a right triangle. Okay? That's how you do those. And this one, it's a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Find this ramp. I don't know why I put this here. You did this one just recently. Anyways, 4 squared plus 18 squared equals to c squared. You do it, finish, and find it. Make sure you put inches as your answer. Same thing here. Pair want to use a 12-foot ladder. A ladder is this way. It's C. That reach a shelf that is 11 foot from the ground, so this is 11 feet. That's the shelf right there. How far away from the wall? Perry placed the base of the ladder so that the top of the ladder reaches the shelf. So how far is this? So the distance here, so a squared plus b squared equals to c squared, and you find your a. Wow, this is a lot in one spot. Leah walks to soccer practice on Saturday. Should have made this in 2 days. You know what? Save this and I'll go over it on Wednesday. I need to go over these ones on Wednesday with you guys. This one you can do on your own, right? Make sure you fill this in. I think I put letters on these. So I think you guys, this is called a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise. Identify congruent angles, congruent sides. I must have put the letters here, right? I'm not sure. This is different than your paper. I hope I put letters in here for you. If not, you can't do congruence, angle, or sides. But you can find the length of EF. If I forgot to put the letters here, you can only find the length of EF right here. And here you can make this no solution. I hope you guys can by now, or still remember how. Okay, if not, I'll do one for you. No solution means, closed. You start out with the side with too many, lots of rectangles. So you can put 2, 3, 4 if you like. So 2 plus 3 parentheses x plus 4. 3x plus 12. 2 plus. You get 14 plus 3x. Right here and here. Make it no solution. No solution means the coefficient, the number next to the variable here, has to be the same. So it has to be the same as, as this one here. So 3x, 3, and bring down this x. Plus, these have to be different. Let's say 100. Okay, and then you solve it. Minus 3x, minus 3x. And 100 not equal to 14, no solution. Infinite solution, okay, infinite solution. Everything else the same. You do the same thing, but the coefficient and the constant are both the same, okay? Number 18, there's 3 or 4 students that don't know how to do this. It will show up on your next test for sure. Next week's test will be on there. These will be on there. These will. Okay? Multiply by 8, by least common denominator is 8. 5 parentheses 4g plus a negative 8. Additive inverse plus a negative 40. Cross cancel. 2, 6. Distribute 20g plus a negative 40. Add negative 40. Okay, 20g plus negative 80. add 80. 86 equals to 20g. G equals to 4 and 6 over 20. Or 4 and divide by 2, which is 3 over 10. That's how you do that one. Here's the least common. You can always distribute and do everything first, okay? You don't have to always get rid of the decimal. So you need 4m plus 6 plus 3. You get negative 4m plus 9 equals, okay. This one, okay, let's bring the 1/2, parentheses negative 9j plus 6. Now we can get rid of the fractions times 2 to all of them. Get negative 8m plus 18 equals to 1/2, 1, negative 9j plus 6, negative 8m plus 18, 9j plus 6. Oh my gosh, why did I not change? Make this j. Didn't even realize it. I'm so lame-o. Make this j, please. Add 9j, add 9j. 1j plus 18 equals to 6. Subtract 18, you get j is negative 12. Okay? That's how you do those. Hopefully that helps.